about investing in another Amazon FBA, a whiz-bang AI program, or drop shipping program, because I'm about to share with you the underground method that students are using to make $500 or $5,000 plus monthly or even more using this underground method. And this system has been responsible for making me over $1.2 million in sales. All right. And so I'm going to show you what the 3% of people are using to be able to profit and make money online. So let's go ahead and stop wasting time and get right into the presentation. You see, this was me years ago, struggling as a cell phone salesman and only making a few $1,000s a month, living paycheck to paycheck, watching everyone else seem to make it online while I failed at drop shipping, lost money on Amazon FBA, and got burned by countless guru programs. But here's what changed everything for me. I discovered what I call PDF flipping, where you either create simple PDF guides from scratch or take existing ones, enhance them with AI, and sell them for serious profit. And here's the part that blew my mind. I don't need to be the face of the business. All that matters is solving pressing problems for hungry markets. And trust me, there's a lot of hungry markets. Even better, I'm not doing any of the selling personally because my AI agents handle every conversation, every objection, every sale automatically, while I focus on what I love doing. Like this meal prep guide. Spent a few hours enhancing it using AI tools, and it generated 240 sales at $47 each. That's $11,609 from one weekend's work. Now you might be thinking, Justin, I've tried everything. Drop shipping, affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA, and different AI products, but nothing works for me. How is this any different? Look, it doesn't matter if you failed at drop shipping 3 times. It doesn't matter if you lost money on Amazon FBA, and it doesn't matter if you got your affiliate accounts banned. None of that matters because you can still generate real wealth with PDF flipping. Now, I'm sure you heard of real estate flipping, right? You know, where someone buys a rundown house for $50,000, spends $25,000 on renovations, and then sells it for $150,000. Well, PDF flipping works exactly the same way. Instead of all the expenses and the houses, you're flipping digital products. Just like in real estate, you have 2 options. You can either find an existing PDF that needs improvement, or you can build one from scratch and then sell them for 5 to 50x their original price. The difference, no massive capital, no contractors, no permits, and no months of work. You can flip your first PDF this weekend and see profits by Monday. But also, for PDF flipping, you own the product, you control the pricing, you keep 100% of the profits. And most importantly, you build real business assets that generate income for years. It doesn't matter what you tried before. It doesn't matter how many times you failed. This is completely different because for the first time, you're building something that actually belongs to you. PDF flipping works in 2 powerful ways, and I'll show you both. Path number 1 is you create from scratch. You research problems people are desperately trying to solve and create simple PDF guides that solve those exact problems. And this takes a few hours using AI, and it costs nothing but your time. Path number 2 is called enhancing existing PDFs. You find existing PDFs in profitable niches, acquire them, then use AI to improve them dramatically. Better design, more value, and professional presentation equals more profits. Now, I helped Iris, a stay-at-home mom, create this PDF for her coaching business in 1 weekend. She has 0 experience, no audience, no technical skills, just follow my system. The result, $8,400 in direct PDF sales in her first 60 days, plus $18,000 in back-end sales. Like this fitness PDF, basic content, poor design, outdated information. I spent a few hours enhancing it, better layout, added a few bonus sections, professional design using AI tools. Now it sells consistently at $67 at over 5x the original price. And because I improved it so much, it converts back-end sales at 3x the rate of typical fitness products. So let me break down the numbers that make this so powerful. This is just a conservative example. Let's say you create a PDF guide and price it at $47. Sales in the first month is just 25 copies, which means that the front-end revenue is 25 times $47 equals a profit of $1,175. But here's where the real magic happens. Just 4 of those 25 customers purchased a back-end offer at $197. That gives your back-end revenue a total of $788.